Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create partition on your Windows PC. I show you here step by step. So let's get started. Click this PC icon, right click, then click on manage. Then click on this disk management. It is just only 149 GB hard disk. Next method to open this window, press Window plus R key of your keyboard. Type here disk mgmt.msc and hit enter key. Same disk management window will open. You can see here my partition CEF. Now I want to make a new partition from this C drive. So click this C drive, right click here and click shrink volume. The total size of C drive 100,000 MB. Now I want to make a 10 GB space. To calculate 10 GB into the MB, I open the calculator. For that, press Window plus R key, type here CALC and press enter key. We know 1 GB equal to 1024 MB, so I type here 1024 multiply 10 equal to 10,240 GB. So I type here 10,240 and then click shrink options. 10 GB new partition has been created, but it is not usable. So right click here and click new simple volume and click next and click again next. Choose the assign layer. I want to take this KDX and then click next. Yes, file system, you should choose NTFS and then click next and click finish. My new partition has been created. Name is K. This way we can create new partition. If you want to delete these partitions, you can do it easily. Keep in mind, if you are going to delete your partitions, that partitions data will be deleted permanently. So before delete your partition, you should check. Now I show you how to delete these partitions. Click here and right click and then click delete volume. And then click yes. Right click here and then click delete partition again and click yes. Now this my partition has been deleted. After deletion here, go to previous partitions. This partition has been created by this ones. So I click here and then right click in this partitions and click extend volumes and click next and click next and click finish. Yes, delete partition has been merged in this my C drives. And that's how you can create a partition without any extra software. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for spending your time here.